Faceless AI shorts are exploding across YouTube, gaining up millions of views and making over $100,000 per month. But here's the dark truth no one's telling you, and they are destroying your channel's chances of monetization. This isn't another shorts tutorial. This is the reality of AI shorts in 2025. Watch this video to last or regret wasting your time, energy, and effort on creating content that's guaranteed to get demonetized. In today's video, I'll break down everything about why you are not getting monetized, what are the mistakes to avoid, and how to generate viral content to exactly get monetized in 2025. Everything. So without wasting any time, let's start this dynamic video. It's 2025, the AI content trend, and everyone is looking to create AI shorts as fast as possible and go viral like these AI channels. Is getting monetized with these AI shorts much easy as it seems? It seems easy, but to get the answer, I dare myself to make a similar channel and generate shorts. I was doing everything from scripting with ChatGPT, then making AI visuals, and then giving them animation, everything in hope to get millions of views and get monetized like others, but hopefully I know that everything I was doing made no sense when I checked my results after 1.5 months. I reached monetization requirements and then apply for it, but the main turn came between my channel monetization after a few days when I received this notice from YouTube that clearly state that my request was not accepted due to reused content on my videos. And suddenly I realized one thing, which is more important to you all to know, that AI content might get you views, subscribers. But if it doesn't fulfill these YouTube 2025 AI content requirements, YouTube won't monetize it. Thousands of creators used AI tools to crank out videos, but rather the views in millions, yet there is zero monetization. I am not stopping you to create AI content, I am saving your time and energy. Because now, in 2025, YouTube doesn't just reward views. It rewards value, originality, and most importantly, viewer connection. But the real question wasn't what I did. It was what I didn't know I was doing wrong. And I know you all are also waiting for that answer. But first, let me introduce you all. What are the things you suppose will work, and what things actually work for monetization of AI shorts? Let me take my own example. I started my Faceless Shorts channel with the same hope of giving less efforts and creating shorts that went viral. I copied ideas for that shorts that went viral already, and then gave command to ChatGPT to create a script which I can use to create viral shorts like these animal shorts that performed well already. So after copying prompts from ChatGPT, I switched to creating images from that prompts, and after made some animations in those images, I gathered some sound effects, and the last step was to edit a bit to arrange everything. But everything feels so fast, like within 5 or 10 minutes a short ready and then post. I know many of you are doing the same or a little different, and it looked like a win, but it was a trap because it's not about how good your video looks or how fast you can generate 20 shorts in a day. It's about how human your content feels. YouTube doesn't just look at what you made. They look at how much original value you've added. And let me be honest with you, most AI faceless shorts today, they're just noise. They might get a few views. Some might even go viral. But when it comes to monetization, they fail every single time. And I'm not telling these all for my own. I deep researched YouTube's AI content monetization policies, watching videos, reading forums, even emailing creators who had the same issue. Okay, Felix, we understand that YouTube doesn't reward for shortcuts, it rewards for originality and human touch in content. Then, what's its solution? Don't worry, I will also explain how you can make monetizable content, but first, let me explain the reuse content rule by which most creators suffer during demonetization, and it's the most important part of video, so watch carefully. You see, YouTube's reused content rule isn't just about copy-pasting other people's videos. It's also about content that lacks originality or adds no real value. And that hit me hard. Even though I was using ChatGPT for scripts, it sounded robotic. Even though the visuals were AI generated, they looked like every other faceless AI channel out there. There was nothing new, no perspective, no story, and no human connection. In YouTube's eyes, it didn't matter how fast I produced 50 shorts. It all just looked like mass-produced, low-effort content, even though I spent hours working on it. That rejection taught me something no AI tool can tell you. Monetization isn't about speed or automation. It's about creativity, originality, and viewers' value. And that's where most people go wrong in 2025. I know you think these things are very tough while listening, but wait. Let me clear to you that these are super easy to do while creating your content and in very less time. Now here it's theoretical knowledge, but I know what exactly you want, real-life examples. So, in my previous video I showed the example of this channel, has gained millions of views, and I also showed you his earnings over $10,000 per month. But these all are fake results because on Social Blade, where you check any channel's earnings, it shows earnings on the basis of their views and channel's category, not shows its monetization. Now, for checking any channel's monetization, you should go to it large and then search for that channel's monetization, and then it shows the reality of that channel. I know you all often impressed by watching any channel's subscribers and views by just few efforts on content, but first you should check its reality before making any decision. And it's not the only. But on the other side, there are many AI Shorts channels which are monetized and earning very well, like my This AI channel, which I created few months ago and earned very well from it. And how I monetize my This AI Faceless channel and how other creators monetized also. So now I am going to explain you and also show you step by step how to create viral AI Faceless Shorts, which actually, yes. So let's start. As you all know very well, YouTube reject mass-produced content, and what it actually wants, it's transformative content, what its actual meaning. Transformative content means, even if it's AI-generated, and faceless content, if your content does not fulfill these three main key gaps in your content, it's useless. The first gap in your content is completely AI-generated script. You're using ChatGPT to generate scripts or prompts, and then generate shorts from IR. That's the wrong way to create scripts for shorts. It will indicate YouTube algorithm that you are copy-pasting AI-generated scripts directly, and your channel will demonetized. Instead, generate scripts from ChatGPT only for rough idea, and then the main gap you should fill is to add storytelling, personal insights, or a strong narrative to your generated script. Add your own touch so it not feels fully AI-generated. Trust me, this small thing will make a big impact to your shorts. Second gap is copy-pasting same AI-generated story to your videos. If you use exact AI-generated shorts to your videos, then it will also lead to your channel demonetization because it is a big sign that you are using reused content on your short. To avoid this mistake, you should use unique B-roll or visuals that match your shorts. Just add some visuals to your shorts, and then you can also avoid this mistake. And the last, but not least gap you should fill in your AI-generated content is to make it feels like a person behind it, not fully AI-generated. And what should be in your video so it don't feels like AI-generated? You can add transitions, sound effects, and background music, and most importantly, avoid using stock footages in your shorts. Once you fulfill these three gaps in your every short, then it will become unstoppable, and your shorts will get viral like other big channels. So, can you really get monetized with AI Shorts in 2025? Yes, but only if you stop creating for algorithms and start creating for humans by fulfilling these gaps in your shorts. And if you want to know the exact process I follow now to go viral and want to grow a channel like this to get monetized, then comment yes for it on my next video.